North Office Depot 567. And that's just showing some bending and cracking right there since we repaired it a couple months ago. So as you can see here, our directional fuses are good continuity. In fact, our whole control circuit is good. It's a brand new directional valve. We're going to see if we can inspect the... Okay, so the key shaft and the coupler. All right, so the motor is good. We're running the motor right here with... So as you can see, the pump does work, the motor works. We did finally figure out the problem. This current sensor right here has gone intermittently bad. Cramelon no longer makes that part. We need to retrofit in a pressure switch with a new schematic. It's going up reliably now on its own. Thank you.